Hello everyone, today we will learn how to select one value from the list of values using Spinner and Android. Let's go. In this example, we are going to display the country list and choose one of them. So we have to create text view here. You can add a spinner to your layout with the spinner object, which we usually do in XML layout with a spinner element as show as, or we can edit it by drag the spinner from the palette. OK, now in our activity we will define a list of countries and spinner to show currently selected value. Then, we need to use adapter to bind the items to spinner objects. Generally, the adapter pulls data from sources such as an array or database and converts each item into a result view, and that's placed into the list. If the data are available from a database query, we use a cursor adapter, else if the data are available in an array, we use array adapter. So in this example, we can populate our spinner control with list by defining an array adapter. Call set drop-down view resource to specify the layout the adapter uses to display the list of spinner choices. Then call set adapter to apply the adapter to your spinner. To define the selection event handler for a spinner, implement the adapter view.onItemSelected listener interface and the corresponding onItemSelected callback method. So when the user selects an item from the spinner's menu, the spinner object receives an onItemSelected event. OK, now let's make a custom spinner with image and text for each element in spinner. First we will create a new layout resource file for items in spinner. Each item in spinner will have this layout, with an image view and a text view. Now, we will create a new Java class, which is used to get the country name and its image when the user clicks on any item. Here we define a constructor, setter and getter methods which returns the country name and is its image of the object. Now we define our own adapter class, to maps the item with its view and providing access to the item's data in the list of spinner. Generally adapter will act as an intermediate between the data sources and adapter views, such as list view, grid view to fill the data into adapter views. Now in main activity, we will create an array list for spinner items and define an object from adapter class that will act as an adapter for the spinner. Here we add on item selected listener to our spinner. When the user tap on any item of the spinner, it gets invoked. It shows the name and image of the item that user selected from the list. When we run app, we will get a result like as shown. If you observe the result, our spinner control is like drop-down list in other programming languages, and we are able to get the selected item details in Android application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.